Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to send money to someone on Revolut. So let's get into the video. So firstly, open up Revolut and log into your Revolut account. Once you've logged into your Revolut account here, so what we're going to do, you're going to hit on this payments option here. Click on the payments option and make sure that you have sufficient funds to send money to. So just make sure that you have sufficient funds, or else you're going to go to your home screen and hit on add money option and then add some money to it. So apart from that, so just go to payments, and then what we're going to do, you're going to hit on get started, and then this will now open up the screen here. So if you want to send it to someone on Revolut, you can simply search for them through their name, through phone number, email address, or even through the ref tag as well. So you can search that app, or if you want to add someone new, so all you have to do is hit on add new recipient and then select whether it's a bank recipient or a Revolut friend. So select who you want to add to, so just select the appropriate one and then you can add them up in your list. But if you're sending to someone who's in your list, so you can simply search for them. For example, let me search for one. Okay, all right, so for example this guy here, so I'll just choose this, and then it's gonna send you a warning, say no transaction has been done. That's fine. All you have to do is hit on this send option here. So click on the send option, and then this will now open up the screen here. So all you have to do here is simply select the amount that you wish to send. For example, like 20, so just put $20. All right, and then you can choose the currency here. If you have more than one currencies, you can select that, and you can add a note here if you want to regarding this payment. And then all you have to do, once that's done, all you have to do is hit on send, and that's it. Money will be transferred to this person here to their Revolut account if they are on Revolut, or else instructions will be sent to them on your email address or on their phone as text message on how to claim this money. And that's pretty much it is. Hope this video was helpful to you all. I'll see you all in another video. Thank you.